It's a ½ pound of ham, cubed, a ½ pound of our oven roasted turkey, and a ½ pound of our delicious roast beef. All right, y'all, that looks absolutely delicious. All right, now we're gonna add our diced grape tomatoes. And y'all, I'm just using one 10-ounce package of our little cherubs that most grocery stores carry. Now I'm gonna add some chopped pickles. All right. And y'all, that is about 2½ of our whole kosher dills. All right, and last but not least, we're gonna add 8 sticks of bacon. Just gonna chop these up and add them right into our bowl here. All right, y'all, we have everything we need in our bowl right now. Let's get this mixed up. All right, and I am gonna use my hands to do this. Y'all, I'm just gonna gently kind of incorporate all this together so we get a nice even mixture. We've got this lovely turkey and ham roast beef with the pickles and the bacon. Oh, this is just one of the best kind of lunch, I guess any meal, hacks, tricks, meal preps that I've seen in a while. And man, I couldn't wait to give this a try. This looks so good. You put a little bit of effort in onto the front end, but you got it to eat off of for the rest of the week. Now we're just gonna bring in our box of Velveeta. I'm using the 2%. We're just gonna bring this over here to our saucepan, and we are gonna add about 12 ounces of our cubed Velveeta. All right, now that we've got our Velveeta starting to melt down nicely, we are gonna add one 8-ounce package of our Colby Jack cheese cubes and one 8-ounce package of our mild cheddar. Now to this, I like to add just about maybe like a 1/4 cup of our heavy whipping cream. All right, and that's just gonna help us keep this nice and creamy and really aid in the melting process. And y'all, let's go ahead and just melt this down. All right, our cheese mixture is looking perfect. Let's go ahead and let's bring all this together. We're just gonna come over here. We have our parchment paper lined loaf pan, and we are just gonna pour a little bit of this cheese mixture in here to the bottom. All right, that's probably good. Just wanna coat it. And then we're just gonna use our spoon, and we are gonna just spread this out. All right, now we're just gonna come in with our kind of the meat of our sandwich here, or at least our kind of sandwich prep. That looks good. Just gonna press this down into our cheese. Now we're gonna add another layer of our cheese. Just get that spread in. Now we're gonna add some more of our meat mixture in here. Now we're just gonna do another layer of cheese. All right, now we're just gonna add one more layer of our mixture here. All right, and now we are gonna use the rest of our cheese. We're just gonna pour this right into our loaf pan. Make sure we get all this delicious cheese out of our pan. All right, now we're just gonna spread out this last layer of cheese. And this is working out perfect. It's got us pretty much right to the top of this oversized loaf pan. Just working this down. All right, now that we've got everything combined, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this in the refrigerator, probably for like 2 or 3 hours, but you could leave it overnight if you wanted to. All right, see you in a second. All right, y'all, it's been a few hours and our club loaf is ready. The ultimate in meal prep sandwiches. We're just gonna, oh man. Y'all, this is such a fun idea. Oh, beautiful. Y'all, making sandwiches is never easier. You know, when you're ready for your sandwich, you just decide how much you want. I think we're gonna do a nice club sandwich should be nice and thick. So we're gonna cut us a nice big piece here off of our sandwich loaf. All right, y'all, there we go. Look at that beautiful cheese. We've got our roast beef, our ham, the tomatoes, the pickles. Now we are just gonna throw this on some good old-fashioned white bread. You could put this on a hoagie roll or however you wanna serve it. And now we're just gonna put one more piece on here. All right, now we're gonna take our Duke's mayo. And y'all, this is all you need. Beautiful. All right, now we're just gonna cover this up. And bam, look at that sandwich. Delicious. All right, time to eat. So good. The blended cheeses with our nice big chunks of juicy lunch meat. Oh, this is delicious. You should definitely give this one a try. A lot of fun. Have a great one. Thanks so much for watching.
Meal prep all week long.